Hello, this is Tracy Lowe, and it is Tax Tip Tuesday, and I'm glad you are here. And if you are watching this on the replay, go ahead and type in the comments pound replay so I know that you are getting this message. Today, we're going to talk about the IRS and filing taxes. So let's get started. Tax Tip Tuesday, here we go. Filing tax returns is also known as a 1040 form. Now, what the tax return does is report to the government your gross income and also allows for you to deduct standard deductions and other deductions, especially business deductions, on your tax return. Now, what I find is a lot of people really don't know what deductions they can take. So, why do we need to file? We file to the Internal Revenue Department, which is somewhat considered independent of the government. Now, it is legally required. You do have people who think that it's not legally required, but just think of Wesley Snipes and how much time he spent in jail about not filing tax returns. It also shows the level of responsibility. This comes into play in understanding your financial concepts in reporting your taxes, whether it be through your wages or investments in other passive forms of activity like rental property. It also identifies your financial reporting. And the benefit of that is to be able to use it in applications like financial aid, home ownership that shows that you are able to pay, meet certain requirements. So, and also small business loans and other types of applications that need to report income. So sometimes we feel like we need to put income under the table, but I say put it above the table and then work on your deductions so that we can show that you are able, or any taxpayer is able, to pay their obligations. Also, above the table, as we can see during the COVID, allowed for individuals to get grants that they reported based on their gross income. So let's get above the table and understand that reflection of our income. Now, preparation. Some of us believe that self-preparation is the way to go. But I say to you, get a professional to review or at least consult with a professional in your self-preparation. So you have professional preparation, includes a tax preparer, an enrolled agent. Some attorneys do file tax returns, and also a certified public accountant like a CPA as myself. Now, don't forget those deductions. Don't forget those deductions. You must document in those deductions. You can document through paper or you can document through electronic means. The IRS does accept electronic. So make sure you keep those receipts. Also understand what tax planning helps in throughout the year. So what I do as a CPA in my niche is I show taxpayers that they can put money back in their pocket. And if you do owe the IRS, don't be frightened, because there are also tax rules or loopholes that allow you to reduce and even eliminate the amount of taxes you owe. So let's stop fearing the IRS and get a professional to review or consult, such as myself, Tracy Lowe CPA. I also give you free advice at growyourbiz2022.com. Now, time is of the essence because the tax return is due on April 18th. So let's get those receipts together and get busy filing. Like, comment below if you're watching replay, or comment that the topics that you would like me to talk about, and share this message. This has been Tracy Lowe CPA, and have a wonderful day. See you next Tuesday.